So, at the count of 1, 2, 3. Hello mga ka-JFS! Good afternoon everyone! So kung kanina andun kami sa Sipokot Camarines Sur upang sorpresahin ng ating dalawang lucky girl, ngayon naman tutungo tayo sa Pamukid Camarines Sur upang sorpresahin naman ang ating mapapasana all ka naman talagang lovely wife ng kanyang lovely husband. But before that, I would just wanna thank my sponsor for my milk tea today, the Oratigon. Thank you so much for the winter melon flavor for this day. And for other inquiries, you may search for them for their Facebook and like their page and inquire for their milk tea. At syempre ngayon, hindi lang yan, ipapakilala ko ang ating mga packages na talagang true na true, mapasasana all ka naman talaga. So tara, tingnan na natin kung ano ang ating mga packages ngayon. So meron tayo dito, bababa ko muna yung milk tea ko. So first, meron tayo ditong tatlong bilao. Siguro ay yan yung mga lovely foods natin. Wala naman sa Maso Catering Services. At syempre meron tayong dalawang bucket of chicken. At syempre meron tayong 4 na box ng Dunkin Donuts. At syempre meron tayong dalawang malaki at isang maliit na Greenwich pizza naman. At syempre meron tayong isang strawberry cheesecake naman na napakasarap. Ayan, so meron naman tayong tatlong Coca-Cola Body 1.5 Coke. At syempre meron tayong red ribbon cake na ibublow mamaya siguro ng ating lovely wife for today. At syempre ang napakabonggang tatlong bouquet naman na ihahandog natin sa kanya. Meron tayong stuffed toy bouquet. At syempre meron tayong chocolate bouquet. At syempre ang napakabonggang fresh flower bouquet. At syempre sa loob naman ng sasakyan, hindi na natin siguro may ipapakita. Meron naman tayong assorted balloons na violet and pink. So makikita nyo, ito namang ating design ay with a theme of violet and pink. So napaka-bongga talaga ng ating surprise natin na lovely wife for today. So sana all talaga. So for all inquiries, the JFS Battles and Services is all in for this kind of surprises. For our accounts, for our Facebook, the JFS Battles and Services. For our Instagram account, our JFS Battles and Services. And for our YouTube channel na makikita nyo mamaya yan na napakabongga, JFS Battles and Services. We don't just create but we captivate. Maya-maya tara na't abangan nyo kami kung saan naman dadako ang napakagandang surpresang ito. Thank you so much! Okay guys, so andito na kami sa Pamukid Camarines Sur upang surprisahin ang ating lovely wife for today. So tara, sumali ka. Tao po. Tao po. Tao po. Ay. Tao po.
Mami, tao!
Tapos kami. Ay. na si sir. Bali po, papakuha na lang po. Siguro po may celebration or what. Pinadala niya lang po sa akin. Tara po. Teka, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am. Kahit ano, hindi ka na maaga. Kumusta ka, ma'am? Okay lang. Halika po. Dito po. Kamusta ka, ma'am? Hello si sir. Hello, sir. I'm Angel from the Philippines. Yeah. Si sir po pang ano nyo, pang dito ka po sir. Dito ka po. Dito ka po sa kabila. Yeah. Ma'am, so balita po namin, mansari nyo daw, mansari ng wedding, tama ba? So ngayon po yun. So si sir po, may ibinigay po siyang regalo po para sa inyo. So sana po, magustuhan nyo po. So ma'am, gusto ko po, buksan nyo po to. Hindi man, ma'am. Ay, wait lang, ma'am. Gusto ko buksan nyo yan, ma'am. Dapat man pagbukas mo yung boom. Yung ganun talaga boom. As in boom. Bonggang bongga. Dito, ma'am. Dito ka harap.
Akala ko itong ban lang.
Ay, di po. Yung ban yung regalo po. Kung gusto nyo po, bilhin nyo na lang po ito. Okay lang po. Charot. Sige, ma'am. Buksan nyo po to. Ayan. So, at the count of 1, 2, 3. Sige po, buksan nyo. Wow! Naman! Happy 6th anniversary naman po sa inyo, ma'am. So, ayan. So, meron si sir. Ayan po. So, si sir po ay may pinamimigay po sa inyo. Fresh flower bouquet naman po, ma'am. At syempre, meron po siyang packages. Meron po siyang human size beard. Meron po siyang stuffed toy bouquet. Meron naman po siyang chocolate bouquet. At may Dunkin' Donuts and chicken. And syempre, mga pansit and Greenwich and red ribbon. So, ma'am, meron po siyang message na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Harap kayo dito, ma'am. Yan. Iparating na mensahe po sa inyo si sir. Ngayon po na mansari ninyo for the wedding. So, ma'am, to my sweetie wife, Aisha Lagidaw Taib, first of all, I want to send my greetings. A happy 6th wedding mansari for the both of us. Thank you for the 6 months of happiness. My life began when I met you, and it only got better when I married you. I am the most fortunate person in the world because you are my wife, and you are the most beautiful thing in my life. You are the angel that God has given me. I will love and care you for all of my life. I will never stop loving you. I'll cherish you as long as I live. And thank you, asawa ko, for everything. I love you so much, my sweet, sweet wife. From Sultan Taib, your lovely husband. Palakpakan naman natin our lovely wife, Ma'am Aisha Lagidaw Taib, all the way from Pamukid, Camarines Sur. So, ma'am, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang sorpresa namin. Haharanahin po kayo ng isa sa pinakagwapong haranista ng JFS, si Kuya Gab. So, pupunta po muna tayo doon sa loob ng bahay. And thank you so much again, our lucky, lovely wife, Ma'am Aisha Lagidaw Taib. Hello guys! So, andito na kami sa loob ng bahay ni Ma'am Aisha Taib, ang kanilang celebration for their 6th monthsary wedding naman. So, napakabongga naman talagang mapapasana all tayong lahat. So, para bigyan ng surprise haranista natin all the way from JFS Petals and Services, tara na't pakinggan ang harana ni Kuya Gab sa ating lovely wife for today.
Feeling so low. You took my hand and eased my mind. Aww. I was astray. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through. Confused and I didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark. my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were so hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You've made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along and you took me home, made me your own. Now look at me, yes, a different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. Tano kinakabahan na, baby? Pwede pa tanggal na lang, baby Mike. Huwag na po. Daming nakatutok. Mas magayon po ako. Time I felt cheated, I complained, and you know I would love to complain for all the wrongs I repeated. Though I was to blame, I still kissed that ring. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you. Show me what's real, and there's more to life, and that's how I feel. More than I was, shone before my eyes, and now that I live for, I didn't know why. Now I do. And God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a finisher, right down in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river to my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free, and I truly believe, and God gave me you to show me what's real. And that's what
Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang aralan ni Kuya Gab. Meron pang dalawang kantang alay sa inyo si Sir Sultan.
I'm not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white.
Pink, pink.
And from now, we last breath. This day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white. So now, what we have is timeless. My love is endless. And when this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're that I believe in. With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And for now, to the very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in pink. Tonight.
Today.
This afternoon.
So, ayan po, Ma'am Alea. Ayesha, ang munting handog po sa inyo ni Kuya Gab mula sa JFS Battles and Services. Ayan, so may munting napakaganda kahit sobrang pawis na pawis that may bloopers, charot. Okay na yan, so, Sir Sultan, hey, sir, are you gonna, oh my God, charot. So, ma'am, ngayon po, since nakita nyo naman, meron kayong chocolate bouquet, stuffed toy bouquet, fresh flower, mga pagkain, assorted balloons, at syempre, ang napaka-cute na sultan, charot, human size, teddy bear naman. Ano pong gusto nyo sabihin, ma'am? So, ito po yung video namin, at syempre, ka-video call nyo si Sir Sultan. Ano pong gusto nyo mensaheng sabihin sa inyong napaka-gwapong asawa?
Maraming salamat, Kuya Will.
Speechless. Thank you, Yugalbi, for everything. You know that. And I have like sayanda.
Take ko na hindi. So, sana pa po, ma'am? Yun lang?
Yun
Isang
lang.
isang I love you naman dyan.
I love you na yun.
I love you ba yun? Oh, sorry po. Ito na yung
I love you na yun.
Paano yun?
Sarap pa po. Sarap isa pa.
And I have like sayanda. I have like...
Vicky.
Sige, Vicky down. Okay. I love you na pala yun. So, ma'am, ano pa pong gusto niyo sabihin sa inyong napakagwapong asawa?
Wala na.
Wala na. Basta't mahal
Alam niya na yun.
Ay, bongga. So, ma'am, this package from JFS Battles and Services ay andun po sa inyo ni Sir Sultan. I am Ate Angel, the Love and Surprise Ambassadress. And again, everyone, our lovely, lucky, beautiful wife all the way from Pamukid, Camarines Sur, Ma'am Ayesha Taib na sinurprise ng kanyang asawa mula sa, nasa Saudi po ba si Sir? Ng Saudi Arabia naman for their 6th wedding monster na talagang mapapasana all ka. Again, I am Auntie Angel, your Love and Surprise Ambassadress. We don't just create, but we captivate. Ma'am, isang hi naman siya.
Hi! Thank you
Bye-bye!
again for the second time.